the special packages, tailor-made incentives we are allowing. If you see here, 20 to 30% reimbursement on GST, power cost subsidy, interest subsidy, and other fiscal benefits. And also under world-class infrastructure, the policy commits mega food parks, cold chains, agro-processing clusters, logistics hubs, and common facility centers to strengthen the value chain. Just now I told you ease of doing business ensures single desk portal, deemed approval for MSME, and fast track clearances with model officers for investors facilitation. First time you are seeing, even I am informing Secretary, Government of India, only one state is having Principal Secretary for Food Processing, that is Andhra Pradesh, that is Mr. Chaudhary. No other state is having. So that is the advantage, and ultimately we want to attract another 4 years time 30,000 crores investment. The way you are showing interest, not only 30,000, we may achieve 50,000, all of you bless 1 lakh crores also within 5 years time. And also, this is where I am asking Secretary, Government of India Food Processing, we have to focus more on food processing. Food processing is the solution for the farmer. Farmer will get better benefit because of processing. As on today, we are wasting so much of food. As you rightly mentioned, 12% as on today processing. There is a lot of scope. You have to go to 50% or 60% or 70%. That is the potential it is available. For our information, for the last 1 year, every month we are having SIPC, that is official meeting. After that we are having SIPB, that is Chief Minister and Ministers, everybody will attend. Every 15 days we are having cabinet meeting. All these three, once your proposal will come, within 15 days, it is our responsibility to clear the project and you can start the work. Once you start if you clear, land is available, structured incentives are available. You wanted to go and start industry, plug and play, infrastructure is available, small industries. And also all parks are available. Now we are starting Ratan Tata Innovation Hub. If you can come back for innovations, we are prepared to work with you. Even product clusters, we want to involve farmers, producers organizations, self-help groups, cooperatives, and also we are interested to promote in a big way MSME and also big industries. Hub and spoke model to make product perfection. How to go about with the technologies, if you can come, we are prepared to work with you. This is going to happen. For the last 1 year, we are able to attract nearly 10,000 crores. We are going to get nearly 12,000 employment with this. Finally, I am requesting all of you before leaving, all of you have one MOU with us and then leave this place. Here are 200 entrepreneurs. Response is very huge because this room is not in a position to cater more members. Another 200 or 300 are outside. So 400 members before leaving, at least you start on the base of capacity, one industry, that is at least MSME. And also you see the speed, how we are going to act accordingly. Ultimately, this is the right time. I wanted to request